In this session, I'll explain about the Microsoft Power BI project and how we prepare the project. That is the thing, okay. Then coming to Power BI, it is a self-service BI platform for both on-premises and cloud-based data. It provides business users with tools for aggregating and analyzing and visualizing and sharing the data. Okay, Power BI is used for like making reports. A reports means a collections of multiple visuals or charts arranged in a specific to represent a different findings and insights from the data. Okay, then this is the reports where this look like, and then coming this is the architecture of a Power BI where as I said you can get in data from many other sources like SQL, Azure, text file, SQL, CSV, XLS. Okay, you can get in data from several sources and then you need to transform to a Power Query editor. Then after transforming to Power Query editor, then you load it to Power BI desktop where you can make the reports and publish the services. Okay, for example, I'll take some data sets like customer feedback analysis. Okay, in this data, in this analysis, I'll take on only three data. Okay, for your related projects in first phase, I shared the data set based on the related projects. Here I am using the Excel data sets for the making a report. Okay, this is uh, this is a Power BI main dashboard. Here I am using just three data sets as I shown in Excel things. I will show how to transform my data, how to connect the Excel things to this Power BI. Okay, this is come to you need to go for home session. In home session, you have an option called transform data. When you click on transform data, it will redirect to your Power Query editor. This is called as Power Query editor. Here you can make any data pre-processing things like duplicate columns, removing null values. That all data pre-processing things are done here only. Okay, for every customer demo, for every data set, you are getting this error things. Means related warning things. Okay. For this, you need to connect the source. By clicking on source, you need to connect the data. For that, you need to know where is your data is. I have my data in EBI datasets. Okay. Then copy the path of the datasets and I will connect customer demographic and open. Click on OK. As same like that, you need to do for rest of the datasets. Click on source. Double click on source and go to browse and click on customer feedback, then OK, then go to sentimental analysis and browse the file. Click on sentimental analysis, open and OK. Then the error will be that warning will be cleared. Now the data will be loaded to a specific directory where we have pasted the Excel files. Then afterwards in right side you can able to see the apply steps for each tables. Okay, then afterwards you need to click on close and apply. Okay, this is Power Query editor as like it look like an Excel. Okay, then after close and apply, it will redirect to your Power BI dashboard thing and the main thing. This is our look like front end. Okay, where you can make a connection to a model. Okay, like how you connect a model. Okay, in for every table I applied a DAX. Okay, you're seeing like calculation symbol is there. No, this is called as a DAX, data analyze expressions. Okay, it is used for calculation purpose. Okay, as usual you calculate total customer by using count rows functions. Okay, this is all come to a DAX. You can able to see I will explain the count of customer ID and count of income bracket by a gender. When you hover on any visuals, in right side you can able to see the which column is connected with which attributes are connected like that. Same like that, go through on each and every visuals and see which data and which table is connected. In right side you can able to see which data is connected, like x-axis gender and y-axis